If you want to get all votes from the current user displayed on one page, you should use our user history settings shortcode. In order to find the shortcode, we need to go to the General Settings page, Shortcodes tab, and scroll down a little bit to find our user history settings shortcode. Here is the shortcode. The user history settings shortcode is very easy to use. All we need to do is to copy the shortcode and paste it to our desired page or a post. For the shortcode, you can decide the table columns ordering. All we need to do is to drag the columns and change the ordering accordingly. As you can see, I have already pasted the shortcode here in our post, so we save the changes to see the shortcode on the front end. Here is our table displayed on the front end. As you can see, it has the poll name, vote date, and vote answer table columns. Here you can see pagination for the table. Also, there is a search input for the votes. You can decide how many entries you want to display for the table. From here, you can make a filtering by your desired table column like this. That's it. Together we displayed all votes from the current user on one page.